Hi everyone, it's me na again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make salted egg bread na magugustuhan nyo. Very soft and very tasty. So gagawa muna tayo ng yeast mixture. So paghaluin lang natin yung ating warm milk and sugar, and then haluin muna natin siya bago natin ilagay yung ating yeast. And then pagkalagay ng yeast, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes hanggang maging bubbly na yung ating yeast. So in a separate bowl, combine the bread flour and then yung ating all-purpose flour, yung granulated sugar, yung ating powdered milk, and salt. So i-mix muna natin yan together, everything together. At saka natin ilalagay yung ating yeast mixture, yung ating milk and yeast mixture. Okay, so after adding the milk and the yeast sa ating dry ingredients, ilalagay na natin yung ating eggs. And then just continue mixing it using your chopstick or spatula, or you can also use your hand to mix all the ingredients hanggang mag-form na siya into a dough. And then you can transfer the dough into a working table, and then we're gonna knead it for at least 20 to 25 minutes. But while kneading it, maglalagay tayo ng butter little by little habang ninid natin yung dough. So if you have a stand mixer, let the machine do the hard work dahil hindi biro ang mag-knead ng dough by hand. So, i-knead nyo lang sa stand mixer ng mga at least 10 to 15 minutes or so hanggang makuha nyo na yung right texture ng inyong dough. Pero kung wala naman, pwede naman by hand. So, just keep on kneading for 20 to 25 minutes hanggang makuha nyo yung right texture. If possible, slap your dough a couple of times or more para maging maganda ang texture. And then, pag hindi na siya dumidikit sa inyong working table or mixing bowl, that's the time for you to do the window pane test. So, just stretch your dough. Then, pag hindi na siya nabuta sa gitna, it means it's ready na yung inyong dough. So, isisit natin siya. Pag hindi na siya nabubutas, ilagay nyo na siya sa greased bowl. And then, let it sit for 45 to 1 hour. Hanggang mag-double na yung size niyan. So, lagay nyo na sa grease bowl, and then takpan nyo ng tea towel or plastic wrap, and then place the dough or the bowl into a warm place like on top of the refrigerator or doon sa inyong oven. So, while waiting for that, gagawa na tayo ng ating salted egg mixture. So, kailangan natin ng salted egg, pero ang gagamitin lang natin yung ating yolk. Okay, so pwede rin kayong magsama ng konting white para medyo maalat. Okay, so kailangan may saucepan kayo, i-melt nyo yung butter. So, pagka-melt nyo ng butter, tsaka natin i-mix yung ating salted egg, yung ating yolk na salted egg. And then, just mix lang natin siya together hanggang mag-combine na yung butter and salted egg. And then, iset aside natin siya. Let it cool for a little bit bago natin ilagay sa ating dry mixture. Okay, so in a separate bowl, i-combine natin yung ating flour, yung all-purpose flour, yung ating sugar, powdered milk, and then mix natin siya. At saka natin ilalagay yung ating butter mixture. Yung ating melted butter and yung ating salted egg. Yan. So, siguraduhin nyo lang hindi masyadong mainit kasi imimix nyo yan by hand. So, kung meron naman kayong gloves, pwede kayong gumamit ng gloves to mix it. And then, huwag nyo lang masyadong i-mix maigi ipipisain ng kamay nyo para hindi masyadong durog na durog. So, konti, bahagya lang ang pag-mix. Yan. And then, i-set aside natin siya for later use. Okay, so tingnan na natin yung ating dough. Yan. And then, i-ano na natin siya, i-divide na natin siya into equal parts. At saka natin siya i-shape into a ball. After shaping your dough, so kailangan meron na kayong prepared cold milk on the side. Then, ididip natin yung each dough sa milk. And then, i-coat natin ng salted egg mixture. So, be generous, no? Kailangan natin i-coat yung ating dough ng marami para malasahan natin yung ating salted egg. So, ayan. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng water if you don't like milk. So, i-coat lang natin yung each dough. And then, ilagay natin sa tray. And then, tatakpan natin siya. No? Ipo-proof natin siya ng at least 30 minutes hanggang mag-double yung size ng ating dough. So, takpan nyo lang siya ng tea towel, or cover, or plastic cover. And then, set your oven into 340 degrees Fahrenheit. And then, i-bake nyo siya ng 15 to 18 minutes hanggang mag-golden brown. Ayan. Yan ang ating finished product, ang ating salted egg bread. Para siyang streusel, no? Yung ating cheese bread na tinatawag. So, ang pinagkaiba lang niya is salted egg. Nilagyan natin ng salted egg. So, ganun din siya kasarap. Ayan. So, kailangan maging generous kayo para malasahan nyo yung ating salted egg. Okay. So, i-transfer natin siya sa cooling rack. So, pwede naman kainin nyo na right away. Kasi ang mga bread, napakasarap pagka mainit. So, pag bagong luto, masarap ang bread. So, kahit hindi nyo na ipa-cool. Ayan. Look at that. Ayan. Very soft siya. Yan, hatiin natin yan. And very soft. Mainit pa eh. Ayan. So, it's very good for tea and coffee or whatever drink you have. No? And it's not that salty kasi yolk lang yung ginamit natin. Yan. So, guys, thank you for watching. And I hope na nagustuhan niyo yung ating recipe for today. Hope you try this at home and share it with your loved ones. Thank you, guys, and have a nice day.